In this short video, I'll demonstrate the simple steps that you can follow along with to create a report that is short and effective for your clients. I'll be using one of our most popular report templates, the short sample report with the Snapshots Executive Summary. This particular template is designed to present the information in charts first and then give additional details in tables at the end of the report. I'm going to jump to the planning page of our clients. From here, we're going to open the recommendations module just to see the status of their retirement goal. They want to spend $80,000 a year on average. They're overfunded for their goal. So we can actually calculate the sustainable spending value. How much more could they spend and still not run out of their financial assets until the last year of the projections? This information is going to be available for us in the report once it's calculated. I don't need to apply this to the scenario, but let's jump right ahead into the client report. So by default, under the report builder, you're going to have all pages included in this report. So if I reset the current page to the original settings, we're now going to have every single available page included here. Including all the pages in your report may be a little overwhelming for your clients, and so it's very easy to remove pages that you don't want. I'm just going to click on it and remove it by dragging it away. And if I'd like to replace it again, I just come back to the gallery, drag it over, and it will be placed back in. Let's use the templates article in order to build a shorter report. You can just type in template and then come to this article with our common templates. So we have many different ones. Today's video will talk about the short sample report with snapshots. These are the pages and the order that we want to include them. So I have the cover page, the note to reader, snapshots, I have the goal summary, the goal status, the net worth summary, the retirement income summary, financial asset flows, and the estate summary. So the remaining four I can click on and just drag out. If I want to do more than one at a time, I can press Shift and click down to the end and again drag them out. So that finishes up our snapshots area. So next we have the remaining pages. So we have the assumption details, the net worth statement details, we have the cash outflow chart and the cash inflow chart, the estate details, the cash flow projection, and the net worth projection. I'm going to highlight all of the rest of these pages and just press delete to remove them out of the included pages. Again, if I ever want to bring them back, I can find them in the gallery. If I'd like to use this for future plans, any new client that I create would like to use the same template, what I can do is press defaults and say save current page settings for new scenario. Just taking a quick look in the report editor. This is where you can add any comments to your pages. You can also see what they look like here and make any adjustments that are required. So this was the extra information that we pulled in from the recommendations module to show that they could spend more money in retirement. Lastly, we'll take a look at the report preview. And remember that the cover page and your logo are all editable under the report editor. Come back here, cover page. This is where you can select the different backgrounds that you'd like to use, update your name, the client's names, add your logo, and again, set your default for new scenarios if you'd like to keep it the same next time. And here's a report preview showing the 13-page report that we just created for your clients. And that's how quick and easy it is.